Welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be doing this cute ducky set. Let's get right into it. I'm going to be using my duck tips that I got from Amazon. All products will be linked in the description. Today I was going for something really simple and beginner friendly, and I accidentally forgot to record the nail portion. I just didn't press record until I was putting on the stones, and I'm disappointed, but it's okay because I know you guys are still gonna enjoy my video. Please subscribe. Guys, I am so excited for this summer. Like, I don't know about anybody else, but I'm ready to be outside, and I wish I was going to Summer Jam, but I'm not. I absolutely love this polygel. You guys know that the Model One's polygel is my favorite. It was acting up a little bit today. I don't know if it's because I'm ending the tube out. Like, I'm nearing the end of it. So there was like little just sticky parts, lumpy parts, clumps inside the tube. But honestly, I didn't mind. You know that Model One's is my favorite polygel, and if you didn't know, now you know. I recommend everybody use Model One's polygel, especially us beginners, because it's one of the smoothest formulas that I have found. And even though this is my first time that it's gotten sticky on me, this is the first time that it's done this. It doesn't usually do this. But yeah, you guys, one thing that I changed is that I've been going in with my wood stick to start off my bead. I only use one bead. I need Model Ones to reach out to me or something, because I want more of this color. Like, this is my favorite color, and this is the color I use the most on my channel. Model Ones, if you're watching this, holla at your girl, please. Email me, DM me, because I want to work with you. Look at me. I'm hitting the bottom. I got to cut this open and find a way to get the rest of the product out. This stands, and I'm going to pop that bubble. I see that polygel bubble. It's not going to be there when I'm done. But yeah, this stand is the most sturdy. The first one was playing with me. It was jokes. But this one definitely is sturdy enough to get the job done. My favorite thing about polygel has to be its workability. I am able to brush myself into perfection, to the perfect shaping, to the perfect size, to the perfect apex area. That's my favorite thing about polygel. It is so beginner friendly. Ladies, do not forget the importance of the way that you hold your file. The straighter you hold your file, and you can see that line on the side. For instance, mine is purple. When I file, I make sure that that line is facing me and that it's straight up so that I can get the best shape. Like, if you want the best shape, keep your file straight when you file the sides and the free edge of your nails, and you will get like the best shape ever. I am still obsessed with this pink buffer. I love it, and it gets the job done so well, and it doesn't leave little black spots on my nails like the other one I had. I forgot to press record when it was nail art time, so yeah, excuse me. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Hit that like button, drop me a comment, subscribe, show your girl some love. I upload weekly and I'm going to be doing lots more sets for you guys. This set is absolutely adorable. I wish I could have did the nail art portion for you guys. It was so simple. I just use the polish to make the marigold line and then my liner gel pen to make the orange line, and also my little leaves and things. But yeah, look at this set. Look how cute it is. Like, you can't tell me nothing about this set. Look at this set. All right, but yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Like, comment, share this video with somebody who may like it. Why do I always have a boo-boo on my nail? Anyway, thank you guys so much. This was the inspo, the cactus keychain. Bye-bye.